My name is Zoe Thornhill and I'm a 21-year-old drummer from Cork City in Ireland. I've been playing drums since I was 14, so just about 7 years now, and I'm a session drummer and a recording artist. I am with two bands at the moment. One of those bands is called MDR and we are currently in the middle of a national tour, and the second band is a band called Waveflyer and we are releasing our first single in 2 weeks. I also teach drums and I go to college in the Cork School of Music and I study drums for a living. The size sticks that I play with Collision are the 5A standard sticks. These sticks are extremely versatile. You know, if I was only stuck with one pair of sticks forever, it would definitely be the 5As. Have a nice weight, can carry most dynamics through pop, reggae, funk, most genres. Some things that I love about the Collision brand is that it's a very drummer-based brand. It's not so much for, advertisement, things like this. It's making sure that the artists are looked after, making sure that the artists are comfortable with the products that they're using, constantly offering different types of feedback forms, online check-ins with artists and people who buy the products, making sure that it's all up to par and things like that. And I think in comparison to other brands, that Collision just cares about its artists solely and making sure that the quality of the product that they're putting out is up to par with what a drummer would need and most drummers' necessities. The cover that I'm about to play for you is Take Me Out by Franz Ferdinand, and I hope you enjoy.